If you've never vacuumed up vanilla sugar with your vacuum cleaner, you absolutely have to try it. I'll show you the brilliant trick behind it and how you need to do it in this video. In addition, you'll need a second secret ingredient, because this mixture solves a problem that you surely know as well. You turn on the vacuum cleaner and start vacuuming up dust. And it's exactly this problem, which we'll get into in more detail in a moment, that you can solve with this mixture. For this, you'll first need some vanilla sugar. You should now sprinkle it on a hard floor. You'd better not do this on a carpeted floor. If you don't have a hard floor or don't want to put it directly on the floor, you can of course use a plate or a board instead. 1 packet of vanilla sugar is completely sufficient for this. But now you need a second essential ingredient, and that is a few whole cloves. You should add about 10 to 15 cloves to the vanilla sugar. Now grab your vacuum cleaner and simply vacuum up the entire mixture. By the way, the advantage of this mixture applies to both vacuum cleaners with and without a bag. Because once we've vacuumed it up, we find it right back here exactly where we want it. After a while, it can happen with any vacuum cleaner that it eventually starts to smell unpleasant. And so every time you vacuum, you spread that unpleasant smell throughout your home. But by vacuuming up this mixture, you won't have this problem anymore in the future, because now only the lovely scents of vanilla sugar and cloves will spread through your home. So you're basically adding a clever little air freshener to your vacuum cleaner. But do you also know the brilliant trick for removing grease from kitchen cabinets using just baking powder? In the video you now see on the screen, I'll show you how it works. Go ahead and click on it immediately and see what is inside.